The new addition to the Pegasus Grande GT75 range is this Portofino, which is in effect a single axle version of the award-winning Messina. Now this is a 4-berth caravan and the interior layout is split into 3 distinct sections. We have the lounge and kitchen to the front, the washroom to the middle and the bedroom to the rear. Now it has a shipping length of just over 7.3 metres and a weight of just under 1,600 kilos, which means you could tow it with a relatively normal car such as Nissan's X-Trail. But let's go inside and take a look. So we are in the lounge of the Portofino, and this is one of the areas where you can really feel that additional width because this is an 8-foot wide caravan. Now plenty of room for lounging here, and it has 2 modes, day mode and night mode. Currently configured in day mode, obviously you can use it as a lounge, but in night mode you have a centre section that pulls out, and this either makes up into a huge double bed, or because these bed bases are 5'11" long, you could have younger family members using these as single beds. It's worth noting this has the optional 𝗚𝗲𝘁 upholstery, which also has aqua clean, which means should you spill anything on the upholstery, you can simply clean it with water. The GT75 has a new cashmere colour scheme, as well as this warm grey marble and splashback on the kitchen surface. To the right of the kitchen is the 𝗚𝗲𝘃𝗹𝘃𝗲𝗱 grill and oven. Now this is a dual fuel hob, 3 gas burners, 1 electric hot plate, as well as that separate grill and that separate oven. There's also a microwave above. Plenty of storage space in the kitchen, a stainless steel sink, and the tried and tested 𝗚𝗲𝘃𝗹𝘃𝗲𝗱 system has its control based here. Now even with this top down, there's lots of working space, but should you need more working space, we'll look at the unit opposite. Now if you need that additional workspace, you have this handy area opposite the kitchen. Now this also doubles as somewhere to watch TV from whilst you're in the lounge. TV points are here. This is where the tech centre in this Pegasus lives. There's a separate Sonos speaker, and you also have wireless charging for your phone, separate USB points in this unit, and there are more USBs around the caravan in the lights. Now talking of tech, this caravan has lots of tech included as standard. There's a 100-watt solar panel, TV points not just here, but in the bedroom as well, and there's a separate TV point outside should you wish to watch TV in the awning. That is alongside a barbecue point, and this is also pre-wired for Wi-Fi. The Portofino has its living space separated into 3 different areas. We've covered the lounge and the kitchen, and we move to the middle for the mid-washroom. Now this has a separate shower compartment, and opposite is the loo and the basin, with plenty of storage in there whether you're travelling as a family or a couple. Now importantly, again, I mentioned the fact this splits into 3 different areas. This door here is not only a door for the loo. If you'd like to split the lounge and the kitchen, if you've got occasional guests in the front, this door can then divide off this section completely. The bedroom in the Portofino is at the end of the caravan and has 2 modes, day mode and night mode. It's currently configured in day mode, which means the bed is pushed back, which gives you plenty of room at the foot of the bed to walk around. In night mode, it simply pulls out and gives you much more sleeping space. Either side of the bed are wardrobes, and not only that, we also have separate bedside units either side of the bed that also have cupboards. Talking of storage, there's more storage at the foot of the bed, and there's also a half-length mirror above one of the units. There is a 𝗚𝗃𝘃𝗃𝗲𝗱 roof light above the bed for you stargazers, and if you'd like to shut off the bedroom from the rest of the caravan, there is a wooden sliding door. Now the storage continues here as well, because not only is there plenty of room under the bed, which you can access by lifting the bed up, there are external lockers either side which run the full length of this Portofino. The GT75 has a new high security door. Now this door also has the facility to split as a stable door, but it also has the all-important additional security measures. So in summary, the Portofino is a 4-berth caravan that is also a couple's favourite thanks to that longitudinal island bed. It is a single axle version of the award-winning Messina, which means you can tow it with a wide variety of cars.